What's up you guys, it's Graham here. So have you ever wondered why mansions have so many bathrooms in them? Because I recently posted a mansion tour of a 30,000 square foot home in Las Vegas, Nevada, and on that video I kept getting the same recurring comment. Why does this home have 12 bathrooms in it? Well, it only has 3 bedrooms. And even more so, why do rich people tend to have so many more bathrooms in their homes than the average person could ever possibly use? And the funny thing is that the more you look into this, the more you realize that this is very, very true. That mansions tend to have a lot of bathrooms in them. For example, we have one of the most expensive homes on the market right now at 924 Bel Air Road, also known as Billionaire. This home features 12 bedrooms, but wait for it, 21 bathrooms. That is a bathroom to bedroom ratio of nearly 2 to 1. Or we have another magnificent estate at 911 Foothill here in Beverly Hills. This home has 6 bedrooms, but again, wait for it, 16 bathrooms. Now that works out to be 2.66 bathrooms per bedroom, which that's a lot, but wait, it gets even better. And this is because my own office represented and sold a very fine estate known as Hacienda de la Paz. And this home has one of the highest bathroom to bedroom ratios out there, with 9 bedrooms and 25 bathrooms. That is a bathroom to bedroom ratio of 2.77. So why is this actually a thing? Do wealthy people use bathrooms more than the rest of us? Or is there actually a method to this bathroom madness? Well, as a real estate agent here in Hollywood who specializes in the high-end luxury market, here's your answer. The first reason why these homes have so many bathrooms is just for future resale value. If a large home has an office, media room, den, or other large room with a bathroom in it, it becomes that much easier for a future buyer to end up repurposing that room and using it as an additional bedroom. It also becomes that much easier to turn that repurposed bedroom back into its original use if you no longer need it as a bedroom. And being able to do all of this without an existing bathroom already in place or without the existing plumbing becomes much more expensive to do this in the future once the home is already built. This is why it's much easier to build a large home with more bathrooms than initially needed purely as a preventative measure. And that can also appeal to a larger pool of buyers who may want to repurpose the existing rooms as bedrooms. You'll also find that in bigger homes, the largest bedrooms tend to have dual bathrooms, for instance, one for him and one for her. Then add to the fact that many of these 20 or 30,000 square foot mansions have multiple master suites, each of which has 2 bathrooms in them, and then all of a sudden the bathroom count ends up adding up fairly quickly. But now beyond that, the bathroom count of a mansion really has more to do with the size of the property and not really how many bedrooms it has. Now typically in large homes, usually over 10,000 square feet, if you need to use the restroom, it should be located in a very convenient to reach location. Like it would be a shame if you're in your theater room and you have to walk all the way up the stairs past the rock climbing wall just to use the same bathroom that all of your guests use. So for that reason, bathrooms tend to be placed strategically throughout the property to accommodate you whenever the moment strikes. Now in terms of strategic bathroom placement, bathrooms are most likely to be built in the areas where you're most likely to spend the most amount of time. For instance, nearby the living room, nearby the kitchen, nearby the pool, nearby any sort of bonus room or anything else like this. That way a bathroom is always within a very short distance whenever you need it the most. Now in addition to that, you'll typically have all other rooms containing their own bathroom as well, such as a gym, a basketball court, a cabana, a media room, or whatever else you can think of. And in most fine estates, pools almost always have their own dedicated bathrooms, so you can avoid having your guests go to your pool and then walk through your $20 million mansion without first showering off in the bathroom. But wait, there's more because it doesn't stop there. With most mansions, they also have staff. Most likely, they're gonna have gardeners, housekeepers, house managers, and pool keepers, and you guessed it, they're gonna need to use a bathroom. So to accommodate this, homes of a large magnitude will typically have a separate staff quarters with, of course, more bathrooms. And finally, the owners of these large homes tend to host a lot of events. And when you host events, you don't want to have the guests walk through a bedroom to use the bathroom, and you don't want them to walk through the media room to use a bathroom, and you also don't want them to wait in line for the only bathroom available on the main entertaining area because that would be rude and impolite. So in order to prevent this, typically several bathrooms are placed strategically throughout the areas which are most likely to be used for entertaining, so that way you have multiple places for your guests to go to the bathroom. And that is why mansions have so many bathrooms in them. It's not because rich people need to use the bathroom more than the rest of us. It's done this way for added privacy between the guests and the residents, it's done this way for convenience, and it's done this way for future resale value. And of course, I was thinking about ending this video with a dirty joke, but I figured that most of you guys wouldn't appreciate a potty mouth. Get it? Potty mouth? I know that was a crappy joke. Get it? Crap. Alright, I'm on a roll with these jokes. Get it? Roll? Okay, I'm gonna stop. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you made it to the very end, if you haven't already smashed that like button yet, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. I post 3 videos a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so if you want to be a part of it, make sure to subscribe. And finally, make sure to add me on Instagram. I post it pretty much daily, so if you want to be a part of it there, feel free to add me there. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.